Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the fastest Dodge Viper. We'll start by focusing on the heart of your Viper, the engine. To achieve top-tier performance, consider forced induction, such as a supercharger, which can add hundreds of horsepower. Ensuring your fuel system can handle this extra demand is vital, as is a free-flowing exhaust for optimal engine breathing. Next, let's talk about getting that power to the ground and controlling it. A heavy-duty clutch and strengthened transmission are non-negotiable for handling increased torque. Upgraded suspension, including coilovers, will dramatically improve handling dynamics. Don't forget high-performance tires for maximum grip and enhanced brakes for stopping safely from high speeds. To truly maximize speed, we must consider aerodynamics and weight. Reducing drag and increasing downforce with components like a front splitter and rear wing is key. Every pound counts, so lightweight wheels and carbon fiber body panels are excellent investments. Even removing non-essential interior items can shave off valuable weight, improving acceleration and handling. Finally, the secret sauce: professional tuning and diligent maintenance. A custom engine tune by an experienced specialist will unlock your Viper's full potential safely. Regular oil changes, fluid checks, and inspections are paramount for reliability. Always use top-tier fluids and replacement parts to ensure your high-performance machine remains in peak condition for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.